Young man, he's a Marine, still is a Marine, but when I took the case on, he was stationed in Virginia. His child was born there. His wife moved to Minnesota with the child when the child was about 6 months old. At first, she would allow the father to come and see the child, but within a few months of that, she stopped allowing him to see the kid. She would say, well, I'll be home. You can come up and see him. Come up on such and such a date. And he would come up and she would be gone. She would have disappeared with this child and the child wouldn't be there. The first time he saw his child within about 2 years was when she filed for child support. And I was representing him and I arranged for him to have some parenting time. He came up, he had some parenting time with the child, went back to Virginia. And then we were trying to work through mediation, but talks stalled, and she again stopped letting him see his child. We went to court. We went before the judge. The judge said, this child is going to go see his son. And he was allowed to fly his son back to Virginia for about a week. This was when I think the child was about 3 years old already, 3.5 years. And so that was working out, and I kept trying to work with the mother. She went through attorney after attorney, and we never got anywhere with it. So finally, we had a trial. I had this track record of her failing to allow father to have parenting time with his child, even though when they first divorced, she agreed to equal parenting time with the son. For whatever reasons, it took 4 years. Finally, after the trial, my client was awarded sole legal and sole physical custody of the minor child because the wife resisted his parenting time so much. And to this day, the child is now 6, and his father is relocated to another state, but he is still solely in his father's care, and mother has somewhat dropped off the face of the earth. So that was a particularly rewarding case. It took 4 years, 4 years, but this father is now seeing his son.